Louis style pork fried rice, y'all. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chill. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. First thing we gonna do, gonna get us a whole onion chop. Then we gonna get us a whole bell pepper. Go ahead and get that diced up smooth. Now once we get our bell pepper and onion diced up, we're gonna go ahead and get into our wok. Of course, give that a mix. Now we had 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in here already. And we just gonna keep mixing that up. Now this wok is super hot. And then we gonna add our pork. Now our pork is tenderloin and ham, y'all. Ham. Now we gonna give that a good mix. Get that caramelized. Now while we're doing that, we're gonna add in some roasted garlic. Now this is just a whole clove of garlic that I put in the oven at 350 degrees to roast it on down. Now we're gonna mix that in and we're gonna press that garlic into our wok, breaking it down, y'all. Now after we get it pressed down real good, we're gonna mix that up real good. And hey, we gonna go ahead and get this out this wok, y'all. Get it on out. Now we gonna add another tablespoon of sesame oil. And then we gonna crack a couple of eggs off of it here, y'all. Now I got 1 duck egg and 1 chicken egg. So add what you like. And then we gonna give this a mix. Scramble it on up. Then we gonna add our rice, y'all. Now this is leftover rice from yesterday. Never use fresh rice, and take it straight out the refrigerator, y'all. That way when you warming it up, you don't overcook the rice. Now once we get our rice mixed, let's go ahead and add our soy sauce, which is gonna be 2 tablespoons. And get that mixed real well. Then we gonna add in our veg and our meat. Oh yeah, it's almost time to eat, y'all. Almost time to eat. I'm getting excited. Now at the end, we gonna drizzle us in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, y'all. Oyster sauce. And then we're gonna mix that on in. And hey, we ready to eat, y'all. So let's plate up. Gonna add a little green onion at the end. Oh my goodness, look at that plate, y'all. You from the STL, I know you like that. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.